Stefan, thank you so much. And we're glad to hear most people are staying safe tonight. No serious injuries, but this is still ongoing, so let's check back in with Ted.
Yeah, what's going to happen next to those tornadoes to figure out what EF scale they will, the National Weather Service will go out and survey the engineering damage to determine how strong those winds are, and that will happen tomorrow. But we have a flash flood issue happening right now. In fact, let's call it a flash flood emergency across many spots with impassable roadways. We've declared a weather alert day for the overnight hours. We've been under a weather alert for many hours, but we'll continue doing it till 4:30. I bumped it up a half hour to cover that flash flood warning right here in Jefferson County, as well as across the area. So what we're tracking for you tonight is major flash flooding. A few more chances for rain over the weekend, which is not good for the area creeks and streams, which will take time for all the runoff to get into them. And then we have to track more storms for Monday. Those could be on the stronger side as well. Now, this is not a watch. This is many warnings across the area. The polygons are all connected. The flash flood warning for Birmingham and Jefferson County goes till 4:30 a.m. So Christmas is right now, and you've been celebrating with your families. You've been taking cover during the tornado warnings. If you've been under a warning, we just ask you to hang tight for a little bit. You don't have to work tomorrow. That's even better. But we're looking like we just want these roadways to kind of clear up a bit. A flash flood warning means it comes up quickly and there's more rain out there. Total rainfall, you can see the devastating rains up in Winston County. We saw that video from Smith Lake. You can see all the heavy rain that continuously stretches now into Talladega County, and the rain continues to fall. The heaviest of rain is now kind of reconverged all along the I-59 area, and it continues to track across the area. Now we'll zoom into the Birmingham Metro. We have some good news because the end of the rain is coming your way, but it's raining in the Galleria, all the way up I-65 in Alabaster Pelham into Helena, over on 280, over by the Summit, still raining pretty heavily, over in Center Point, Leeds, Moody, up through Springville into Ragland and Pell City, still getting heavy rains, and Anniston as well. Moderate rainfall for you. The heaviest of rain is in Sprott, is moving into Selma, into Clanton as well. So that flash flooding in Clanton, you're going to get a lot more heavy rain. So stay off the roads just for 3 or 4 more hours if you can. Just hang tight. Here's a wide view of what's happening. There is more rain coming, but it's not going to be as heavy as we saw today. You can see that band now stretching just to the southeast of us. This is the last 24 hours. The storm reports, most of it has been flooding, but there's been a couple of funnel clouds and a couple of tornadoes spotted and confirmed on Jefferson Avenue in Birmingham, also the Mercedes plant over in Tuscaloosa. We got this picture in from Twitter from at MBD in Birmingham, and look at that right there. That's coming from the area in Hoover and Bluff Park. You can see that right there. There is that tornado that passed through Birmingham. Great picture there. It's a great picture to see it, but it's an awful thing that came through here on Christmas. We did not want that whatsoever. A lot of traffic on Christmas now on I-65. The temperature coming in at 65 degrees. The winds are coming from the east at 7 miles an hour, and the dew point is 63. Temperatures have cooled off a little bit, but still muggy and humid. Let's go ahead and look at that Storm Track Futurecast. Tomorrow morning, the rain finally gets out of here. We like seeing this. A lot of empty areas out there. Scattered rain is still possible, maybe an isolated thunderstorm during the day tomorrow. As we get into Sunday, maybe a break in the clouds, seeing the sun, that would be nice. But Sunday morning, a couple of scattered showers possible into the evening hours as well. Now we are setting our eyes to the west on our next system. A cold front finally gets rid of all the 70-degree weather, but along with that will come showers and thunderstorms, more rain, but also some stronger storms are possible as they go through the day because they're coming through right now in the middle of the day on Monday at 2 o'clock. So we'll be watching that go through all the way until 6 o'clock on Monday. All right, the future temperature is still getting hot overnight. It will be muggy in the mid-60s. Tomorrow we get back up into the mid-70s, and on Saturday night into Sunday, still mid to upper 60s for lows, and we're still in the mid-70s as we head into Sunday. So your forecast overnight, more rain, flooding continues, 65 degrees, 76 tomorrow, still warm with a few storms and a few showers, but not as rainy as our Christmas day. Your Storm Track 7-day forecast, mid-70s through the weekend. 72 and rain and thunderstorms likely on Monday, especially Monday afternoon and evening. Then we look a little bit better, but much cooler. Look at that. 58 the high and lows in the mid-40s. And New Year's Eve, 58 degrees. But look at that. It's going to be chilly, getting down to 34 overnight. And New Year's Day, 51 degrees, partly cloudy. 2016 off to a much cooler start than our warm end and stormy end to 2015. Jamie.